friends, in today's lecture we are going to discuss about the acidity of the phenol. So phenols are the organic compounds which contain hydroxyl group attached directly to the aromatic ring. This is the general representation of the phenol. If this hydroxyl group is not directly attached to the benzene ring, then these are not called the phenol, they are called the aromatic alcohols. This is phenol. And if this hydroxyl group is not directly attached, then it is not called phenol, it is called the aromatic alcohol. It is benzyl alcohol. Some phenol derivatives examples are like catechol, resorcinol, and it is quinol. It is called catechol. In this second hydroxyl group, it is at ortho position. It is resorcinol. In this second hydroxyl group is at meta position, and it is quinol. In which second hydroxyl group is at para position. Now goes to the properties of the phenols. Phenols are colorless liquids or solid. They have characteristic carbolic odor. The melting point of the phenols are higher than their corresponding alcohol. The boiling point of phenol is the reason of higher boiling point of the phenol in comparison to the aliphatic alcohol is due to the higher intermolecular hydrogen bonding in comparison to the aliphatic alcohols. It is due to intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Phenols are acidic in nature. So these are the few properties of the phenol. So now goes to the acidity of the phenol. Acidity is the ability of any compound to dissociate completely into the proton and anion. Like if we say this is any compound or acidic compound, if in aqueous solution it dissociates completely into the proton and anion, then it is called the good acid. So phenols are acidic in nature because phenol in aqueous solution dissociate into the phenoxide ion and proton. It is called the phenoxide ion. And this phenoxide ion is resonance stabilized, which gives stability to the phenoxide ion, leads to the acidity of the phenols. Reason of stability of phenoxide ion. Phenoxide ion are resonance stabilized due to delocalization of negative charge, due to delocalization of negative charge on oxygen atom, on oxygen, because the negative charge on oxygen atom get involved in the delocalization, and that delocalization because of the delocalization of the negative charge on oxygen at ortho and para position of aromatic ring. So this is the reason of the stability of the phenoxide ion. Now let's see the resonating structure of this phenoxide ion. It is a phenol. On dissociation in aqueous solution, it gives phenoxide ion solution. Let's see the various resonating structure of the phenoxide ion. Since this in phenoxide ion the oxygen have negative charge, it has a lone pair of electron. That lone pair of electron participate in the resonance in the ring. It take part in the resonance. So the negative charge will come here and a double bond will come here. Now this negative charge participate in delocalization. Further undergoes resonance or the delocalization of the lone pair of electrons. So these are the various resonating structure of this phenoxide ion which gives the stability to the phenoxide ion. That's why phenols are acidic in nature. But two important points. Phenols are more acidic than aliphatic alcohols. Next one is phenols are less acidic than carboxylic acid. Now let's see the reason why phenols are more acidic than aliphatic alcohols but less acidic than carboxylic acid. The reason behind the less acidity of aliphatic alcohol in comparison to phenol because of the formation of alkoxide ion in case of aliphatic alcohol. For example, it is an aliphatic alcohol which on dissociation form alkoxide ion. It is an alkoxide ion and this alkoxide ion is less stable because it does not participate in the resonance. While in case of phenoxide ion, it has various resonating structure because this lone pair of electron on the oxygen participate in the resonance. That's why phenols are more acidic than aliphatic alcohols. Now the second point is phenols are less acidic than carboxylic acid. The reason behind the higher acidity of carboxylic acid in comparison to phenol because in carboxylic acid carboxylate ion is formed on dissociation and that carboxylate ion is more stable than phenoxide ion. If this is a carboxylic acid which on dissociation form carboxylate ion, it is a carboxylate ion and this carboxylate ion undergoes resonance. It is a carboxylate ion. The negative charge can undergoes delocalization. So if we see in this carboxylate ion, negative charge is delocalized between these two oxygen atoms. The reason behind the higher stability of carboxylate ion in comparison to phenoxide ion is that in carboxylate ion the negative charge is delocalized between the two electronegative oxygen atoms. As you can see in the structure, this negative charge is delocalized between the two higher electronegative oxygen atoms. But in case of phenoxide ion, the negative charge is delocalized between the electronegative oxygen atom and the less electronegative carbon atom. That's why the carboxylate ion is more stable in comparison to the phenoxide ion. That gives stability to the carboxylate ion. That's why carboxylic acids are more acidic than phenols. So the order of acidity is carboxylic acids are more stronger than phenols and phenols are more stronger than aliphatic alcohols. So this is the order of acidity. So it is all about the acidity of the phenols. Thank you so much.